So doing okay, man. Euro and the Norwegian krona. The krone. The krona. Um, yeah, I mean, this is like right now my biggest winner yet since I started giving out signals for free. I didn't signal this one, but I mean my trade, right? My biggest winner yet. I mean, I'm just using the same it's the same strategy. Hold on. It's the same strategy. It's the same strategy. Let me just look at these, your breakouts, right? You look at your breakouts. Well, actually, I don't have the harmonics up here. There they are. So, um, yeah, I mean, and then use also, you have your a double top, double bottom. Use your harmonics right here. Use your harmonics. Use your double top, double top, double bottom indicator, right? And what else? Ichimoku, right? Sometimes I use it. I mean, I don't need it as much because I can kind of in my head know where it is in a way. So, I mean, kind of. I mean, I'm not saying like my brain is made of Ichimoku tissue, Ichimoku clouds, Ichimoku. um, this one failed. So I saw this form, and and I mostly use the 1 hour. That's like kind of my like bread and butter. That's like because why? Because 1 hour is in the middle of everything else. On one side, you've got 30, 15 minute, and I can do minute charts. I never watch minute charts. I'm not a scalper, but you can do you got one side. You've got 30 minute, well 45, 30, and 15, 5, right? And then on the other side, you've got 2 hour, the 3 hour, the 4 hour, the day, the week. It's in the middle. Like people say, well, which one should you use? Use the one in the middle, bro. Take the middle road. Okay, just take the middle road. All right, and you're better off. You know, get used to seeing how these things trade. Get used to seeing how they move. I mean, and I'm checking. I'm going over to my forex sentiment. Right, I'm just checking it. You want to see uh, who the smaller percentage is. Don't you know that the smallest percentage of traders win? Right, the 2%. Right. Why would you follow the crowd? This that's like such a brainwash. Like, why would you follow the crowd? So, like, look at this GBP USD, right? See how small it is. Whoops. See, I can't move the cursor, but see how small it is. Okay. Check how small it is. See that 8% of traders are long. And then look, who's winning over here? Now I can move it. Who's winning over here? The long traders. Short traders aren't winning. Why would you sell this? It's like you don't have to do any uh brain gymnastics. You have to do gymnastics to think the other way. Why would you sell this? These people are losing. Okay? Who's winning? Look who's winning. Who's winning? And on this one, look at this. Short, right? Who's winning? Short side. So look at NOK. Where's here it is. Who's winning? The average long price is up 4,611 pips. So I look here, I'm up 336. If I was 4,000, I'd be down here, right? These are a small group of people that were already in for the direction change. They were already in, like, I mean, down here. They were already in for the direction change. I think this is like, yeah, yeah. So the average long got in probably right. Let me see. Yep, The average long got in about right here. The average long that's winning, well, the average long, which is when it was what? Like what? It was probably like a 2% for. That's the two that are winning. These are the people that are winning the trades. No, this is something I had behind a paywall. I'm giving this out free now instead of putting it behind a paywall. I mean, all of this, the lessons are in the manual, are in my manual. The book, you can buy the book if you want to buy the book. Wait a minute. Oh, I got a message. My dad's having surgery. Has to have surgery. Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, he's on these. Yeah, pray for my dad. Yeah. All right. Let's try to close this up. All right, so 6 minutes into this. Yeah. So your longs. I mean, they're gonna have to, be in there early. Okay. Watching for these harmonics that stay open. See here, along this point is where price should be in that area, right? Here, it only went down. It missed this part. Okay. That lets me know that price is going to head out. One way or another, like when it gets above that line, that point right there. Let's see if I can show. Like, yeah, yeah. Here, and then you have another area that it has to break, which is on the other end of it. And you can see how price did this, right? That was like if you wanted to wait, like we got in early. I did it kind of early, but if you really wanted to be sure, you would wait for that break there on a harmonic that's like this, which is a bat pattern. Okay, bat pattern failed. Okay, so you would want to be, in that range. I mean, in within this point, no later than this point. I mean, if you had that, you'd be up uh, 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 um, 28.11. Well, oh, this is equivalent. I meant to break this down to equivalent. Right now, this is an equivalent. You have to knock one of those numbers off because you see it's a 33 spread. So kind of knock that off, and to give you an idea, this is basically equivalent to 367 pips up. Okay, like if you think about it from the exotic standpoint to a more, major minor pair, like how to relate it. Okay, this says 3,671 pips. It's not in the pips that you're thinking. And sometimes people say that, and it's incorrect. You'd have to go and see the spread, and you're gonna have to do some math. A spread on a normal one is a tenth. Okay, probably a little bit more, but we'll just say a tenth. So this is equivalent to probably between 367 up to about 400 pips gain on like on NZD or I'm trying to think like EuroCAD or something like that. Okay, so trading exotics. I mean, it's like, man, they're great because they go so far. I mean, they move quickly. This is what's great about it is if you're on the right side of it, it can grow really fast. Look how quickly this went. Okay, the equivalent of 360 pips, as opposed to, what's our other winner, our other big winner, uh, GVCHF. This took, I think it was about right here, 284, 18 days. Now I have to go back to the exotics. And then this did it. I think I got in. Trying to remember, it wasn't here. It was over here. So, I mean, it can do more faster in a shorter period of time. I mean, even if I think I went from here, it's probably even shorter. Let me see if you were like early before I even saw it. I mean, let's say it was here. Let's see how long that would have taken. 13 days. I mean, money is gained faster. You get faster money, faster returns. It's sweet, man. It's sweet. Same same fundamentals. I mean, it's the same setup. It's not any different, right? I'm showing you the shortcut right here. I'm showing you the secret, the shortcut. Whoops, I hit my YouTube. But I'm showing you basically how to the quick road to profits. Giving you the sauce, man. Giving you the sauce, as they say, the Californians say, the sauce, right? I think that's a good idea to say the sauce. Yeah, the sauce, man. We had a big spike there, right? Didn't scare me out. Um, because I was looking at this. See, because I'm looking at this, it doesn't scare me out. Okay, that's going to give you the confidence to make the trade. So, I'm going back to RSI and I'm doing the I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do watch RSI pass. Um, the prop firm challenge. Maybe next month. Maybe we'll see. I was gonna do it this week, but I'm starting a new business, and I just don't want to spread myself too thin. I'm actually gonna put myself, excuse me, finish up college. I have 19 credits left, finishing in my old age. Oh man! So finish up in cybersecurity. All right. See you guys on the next one. Peace.